In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Chat Space link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a link to any space and share it in an email, document, or message, so your teammates can jump in quickly. First, open Google Chat. You can use the standalone web app in your browser or the mobile app. If you use Gmail on the web, you can also find Chat in the left sidebar. Give it a moment to load your recent conversations and spaces. Next, open the space you want to share. Spaces are the group chats where teams collaborate. If you don't see it immediately in your list, use the search bar at the top to type the space name and select it from the results. When the conversation opens, you'll be looking at the message stream for that group. Now move to the top of the screen and click the space name. This takes you to the Space Details area, which is like the hub for settings and membership. You'll see options related to members, notifications, and other information about the space, all tied to that name at the top. In that Details area, click Copy Link to this space. The app will copy a shareable URL to your clipboard instantly. On some layouts, you may see this option in a small menu after you click the name or the drop-down arrow next to it. Either way, when you select Copy Link to this space, you should see a quick confirmation that the link has been copied. Finally, paste the link wherever you want to share it. Open your email, document, task, or chat message, place your cursor where the link should go, and paste. On a computer, use your usual paste shortcut. On a phone or tablet, tap and hold, then choose Paste. Consider adding a short note so recipients know what the link is and why they should open it. A quick reminder, access to the space depends on its settings and your organization's policies. The link helps people find the space, but they may still need to be members or meet your workspace requirements to view or join. That's it. Open Google Chat, open the space, click the name at the top, choose Copy Link to this space, and paste the link where you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.